Hello, hello, happy Monday. So I'm back with a little jewelry haul that I got for my son's little girlfriend for Valentine's Day. This is from Adinas Jewels. She is on Instagram. This is my second order from her. I haven't ordered anything for myself, but again, this was for my son's little girlfriend. She sends all of her packages with this card in here, and then a printout receipt. It has my info in here, so I don't want to show it. But this is a starburst necklace, and then this is a ring. That ring didn't come. That's one that I gave him, but the jewelry comes inside of these pouches and then in this little box, so you can tie it in a nice little bow. Or I believe she offers gift wrapping for $5. She is out of Brooklyn, New York. She ships very fast. I'm talking, if you order today, you're going to get a tracking number tomorrow, and it probably go out tomorrow night, like next day. Also, too, she is running a 30% off for Valentine's Day, and you can't beat that with a stick. She sells fine jewelry, which is 14 karat solid gold, and then she sells sterling silver and gold vermeil, which is a light layer of gold over sterling silver. So her vermeil pieces are gold, real gold over sterling silver. So if the vermeil gold kind of wears off, the sterling silver will show. So it's not a bad deal. It's not like she put gold vermeil over brass or copper or some old cheap material. It is over sterling silver. So she sells sterling silver, vermeil, gold vermeil, and 14 karat solid gold. Is there anything else? She do ship USPS priority, I guess. I think I picked that. And it may be like $5 or 10. Is it $10? It's either 5 or 10. I can't be too sure. The two-tone heart ring. Before I do that, let me just take it out the packages, because it comes in these packages, and then she put it in the little satin packages. Okay. So this is a sterling silver and rose gold heart ring. As you can see, it's like a twist, like a bypass type of ring. You pick your size that you want. This is rose gold vermeil, so I'm trying it because these things is sparkling. It's rose gold vermeil over sterling silver with cubic zirconia. She does put on her little packages how to take care of the jewelry. If the jewelry is not solid, then you need to take extra steps, especially with vermeil, because vermeil is just a thin layer of gold over the whatever the other metal is up under it. So she wears a little size 7. So as you can see, it says rose gold 7, because this is a size 7. And my son liked it, she loves rings. And so, whoop, where'd it go? Okay, so this ring right here was one that I've had for years. I got from Shop NBC. When they were called Shop NBC, I told you I've been shopping with them forever. This is a 14 karat gold rose gold electrophone ring. I could have sworn I had this in white gold too, but as you can see, it looks brand new. I rarely wore it. It probably because it was too tight, because they only came in whole sizes maybe. And at best, at that time, I was a 7.5. So I probably never wore it or didn't wear it much, and I cannot fit a 7 on my pinky. Is too big, and it doesn't look good to me as a midi ring, so I'm fine giving it to her as a stacking ring. So if she wants to stack it, she can stack it like this. I think that'll look cute. You know, stacked. So I just want to show y'all how it would look kind of stacked and against the rose gold heart. And that ring was $58, and with the 30% off, it was $17.69 off the $58. So again, she's running a 30% off of Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna upload this so y'all could get to it, because it's not a bad deal, and her stuff is pretty nice. So then over here, I have this gold vermeil starburst chain. I don't want to take it out because then I have to get it back in there. But this again is gold vermeil over sterling silver. And I went back and got her this because I ordered from another company a heart pendant sterling silver necklace with a little heart on it. And the company that I ordered from makes everything to order. And so it takes like 2 to 3 weeks to get. And she said she probably wouldn't finish my order until around Valentine's Day. So I wanted him to give this to her on Valentine's Day, not 2 weeks after Valentine's Day, you know. And so I went back on to Adinas because I, like the quality of the heart ring. And saw this heart. And, it's cute. It's a long heart chain. It has some extenders on here so it hangs down. Again, it's gold vermeil, so it's vermeil over the gold over sterling silver. So even if if the gold starts to wear off or whatever, it'll just be a sterling silver piece. She do give you the instructions on how to take care of it. And this is called the Pave Starburst Heart Necklace in gold. It was $68. And with the 30% off, it was $20.40 off. So I ended up paying $47 and some change for it, which is not bad. So yeah, these are the pieces. If you don't mind gold vermeil, she does have 24 karat solid gold, which is under her fine jewelry link. I'm not sure if she has gold filled. I'm thinking her pieces are either vermeil or 14 karat solid. That's what I'm thinking. So for me, unless it's the 14 karat solid, as far as bracelets and rings, that wouldn't work because I would have to take it off every time I went to wash my hands, which is a lot. But like earrings, yeah, because you can kind of take them out. And she's not expensive either. She's very reasonable for her pieces, even her 14 karat gold, solid gold pieces. She's very reasonable. And so that's why these pieces I didn't mind getting, because, she would have them for a long time before they start turning. Maybe, the little heart maybe, turn a little bit, but one is sterling silver anyway. So I'm pretty sure she'd like it. So that is my unboxing of Adinas jewels. Go check her out. Quick shipping, reasonable prices, good quality jewelry pieces, gold vermeil pieces, and packaging is on point. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please leave your comments below. Don't forget to watch my video all the way through, y'all. I have like less than 200 watch hours left to get monetized, and I think I have till March 1st to do it. Or maybe I just put that in there. I can't be sure, but peace. Until next time.